Good morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo. Okay, so sit back and relax and please watch this video. Here are our ingredients. We have here 1/4 kilo chicken. We have here 5 cloves garlic, 1 piece red onion, 1 piece white onion. This is for our toppings and this is optional. We have here 1 piece tomato, 2 pieces calamansi, 2 pieces bay leaf, and then gagamit din tayo ng 30 grams of oyster sauce. And of course, we will be using cooking oil and then salt and pepper. And also, we will be using later water. Okay, so let's do the rock and okay, so what we're going to do next is magpapainit tayo ng pan natin. Ayan, kung mainit na to, lagyan ng at least 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Igigisa natin ang garlic. And then ang onion. At saka tomato. Idadagdag na rin natin ang ating marinated na chicken. Na-marinate ko na siya kasay chef overnight. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng konting asin. Saka pepper. So, ayan, igigisa lang natin sa ka-friendship. Hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan hanggang mag-golden brown. At pag na-golden brown na siya, pwede tayo magdagdag ng tubig para pampalambot ng chicken natin. So, ayan ka-friendship, malambot na yung chicken natin. So, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating bay leaf. And magdagdag din tayo ng konting suka. Sorry, I forgot to mention kanina na kailangan pala natin ng suka. Konti lang ka-friendship. Then, magdagdag din tayo ng Knorr liquid seasoning. So, yan. Kunti lang ka-friendship. I forgot also to mention na kailangan din natin ng konting brown sugar. Tikman natin. bago tayo maglagay ng oyster sauce. Ayan, okay na ang lasa. So, dagdag na natin ang ating oyster sauce. And the last but not the least ay ang ating calamansi. Tatakay natin ng calamansi. Dagdag na rin natin ang kalahating portion ng ating white onion. So, ayan ka-friendsya, tuto na yung ating chicken adobo. So, ayan na ang ating finished product ka-friendship. So, dagdagan pa natin ng konting white onion sa itaas. Okay? So, ayan na po ang ating chicken adobo. Okay, that's all for today ka-friendship. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video ito, kindly hit that like and share. And also to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that everybody wants happiness, nobody wants pain, but you can't have a rainbow without little rain. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.